And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the Nurses Association of Jamaica is calling for the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service to urgently address outstanding compensation matters which date back to 2022.
For now, industrial action is not on the table, but the healthcare workers say they intend to apply pressure on the government to act.
Jamaica Maitland reports.
An assertive response by a show of hands from nurses during a quarterly meeting on Thursday. The healthcare workers voted for some type of action to be taken against the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service. It follows a letter to the Nurses Association of Jamaica, NAJ. President Mrs. Dawn Marie Richards.
We thought the traveling policy was already sorted out. We are now hearing that they are revising the policy and that we will get information at a later date. No set timelines are in that letter. We also are at the position where we are looking at our outstanding extra hours work policy and uniform policy implementation dates. We have none for those matters either.
TVJ News obtained a letter dated July 22 that the Ministry of Finance sent to the NAJ. The matters relate to the compensation review for the years 2022 to 2024. That period ended on March 31. Patsy Edwards, who was president of the NAJ at the time, was also at the meeting.
That letter that came shows a level of disrespect to the nursing fraternity across Jamaica. And we are not willing to sit and just accept that level of disrespect. So it is time that we now act.
It's tiring and going back to work to the nurses who I'm motivating to come to work, who I'm encouraging to do overtime to fill in the gap, and then not be able to say what is happening with your outstanding compensation matters. It's disrespectful.
When asked whether industrial actions will be taken by the healthcare workers, the NAJ president says it does not plan to disrupt the public health system.
It is not about affecting patient care. That's not what it is about. It is about seeking to the welfare of the nurses of Jamaica.
While reciting the theme of the 2024 International Nurses Day,
Our nurses, our future, the economic power of care.
Mrs. Richards argues that the healthcare workers feel wronged by the government and wants the Ministry of Finance to resolve the matters quickly.
The economic power of care does not only speak to caring. It speaks to the financial stability of the individuals who offer the care. And that is something that we are so upset about at this point, that after 2 years, when a contract period will have ended, we are still not able to say we have completed a cycle.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.